How are you, my dear children? Hope that all are fine. Today, I am introducing you some new words. My dear children, look here. Here is a white teddy bear and a red teddy bear, isn't it? Now, this white teddy bear is big. Then a red teddy bear is small. What is big? Big means valudu. Red teddy bear is small and small means ചെറുത്. Big valudu, small ചെറുത്. White teddy bear is big and red teddy bear is small. Dear children, look here. The shell is outside the box. Now the shell is inside the box. Now the shell is inside the box. Then it is outside the box. Inside means agathu. Outside means purathu. Look here. Here is a road. A red ribbon is on the top of the road. A blue ribbon is on the bottom of the road. Red ribbon is on the top. Top means mugalil. Blue ribbon is on the bottom. Bottom means താഴെ. Children, look here. There are two powder tins. One is tall and the other is short. One is tall and the other is short. Tall, പൊക്കം കൂടിയത്. Short, പൊക്കം കുറഞ്ഞത്. Dear children, you can see a bunch of white balls, isn't it? This bunch has so many balls. And this bunch has only 3 balls. This is less than this, isn't it? This bunch has more balls and this bunch has less balls. More means ഒരുപാട് കൂടുതൽ and less means കുറവ് കുറച്ച്. Children, you can see 2 teddy bears. A red teddy bear is in front of the white teddy bear and the white teddy bear is on the back of the red teddy bear. Front means മുന്നിൽ, back means പിറകിൽ. The red teddy bear is on front of the white teddy bear and the white teddy bear is on the back of the red teddy bear. Children, can you see a house here? You can see a doll on the right side of the house and you can see a teddy bear on the left side of the house. You can see a Barbie doll on the right side of the house. Right means വലതുവശം. And you can see a red teddy bear on the left side of the house. Left means ഇടതുവശം. Dear children, all of you take your textbooks now. On the textbooks, take page number 8. There you can see Tara and Meenu, isn't it? Tara came to see Meenu. Meenu is saying a big cow and a small calf. Tara, come on Meenu, see my Nandini Kutti. Who is bigger, cow or calf? Which is bigger, cow or calf? ആരാണ് വലുത്, കൗ ആണോ കാഫ് ആണോ? Cow. Now you can see a coop, isn't it? And Meenu and Tara are there. Meenu is saying the hen is outside and the chicks, Tara, they are inside. That is, the chicks are inside the coop, isn't it? എന്താണ് കൂപ്പ്? കോഴിക്കോട്. Who is inside? ആരാണ് അകത്തുള്ളത്? Chicks. Chicks are inside. So put a tick mark on the chicks. Children, look at the picture. You can see a nest on the top of the branch, isn't it? A crow is also flying. Then Tara is saying, look, the crow's nest is on the top. There must be eggs. Meenu, oh, there are ants here at the bottom. Now, who is at the bottom? Ants or the crow? Ants, isn't it? Okay, then put a tick mark on the ant. Okay, now look at the picture. There is a nest on the taller coconut tree. Meenu, there is a squirrel on the shorter coconut tree. We can see 2 coconut trees there, isn't it? There is a nest on the taller coconut tree and there is a squirrel on the shorter coconut tree. So, which is the shorter one? There you can see a taller tree and a shorter tree. Which is the shortest? The second one, isn't it? Okay, then put a tick mark on the second picture. Take the next page, all of you. Meenu. The jackfruit of this big tree tastes like honey. Tara. More jackfruits on the big tree and less jackfruits on the small tree. എന്താണ് more? കൂടുതൽ. എന്താണ് less? കുറവ്. Okay, then you can see some flowers there, isn't it? Now look at the flowers. Which is less? You can see two plants there, isn't it? In the first plant, there are 2 flowers. And on the second one, there are 4 flowers. So, which is less? 2 is less than 4, isn't it? So, we have less flowers on the first picture. Put a tick mark there. Now, look at the next picture. Who is at the front? Who is at the back? Tara walked in front of Meenu as they walked to Tara walked in front of Meenu as they went to the pond. താരയും മീനുവും കൂടെ എവിടേക്ക് പോയി? കുളത്തിനടുത്തേക്ക് പോയി അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ആരാണ് മുന്നിൽ നടന്നത്? താര മുന്നിൽ നടക്കുകയും മീനു പിന്നിൽ നിന്ന് വരികയും ചെയ്തു. ഹു ഈസ് അറ്റ് ദ ഫ്രണ്ട്? ആരാണ് അപ്പോൾ മുന്നിൽ? താര, isn't it? Okay, then who is at the back? Meenu. Meenu is at the back. Now look at the picture on the right side. There Meenu and Tara is standing. Then Meenu is saying, there is a spinach at the right side and plantains at the left. That is, on the right side there is spinach and the plantains on the left. എന്താ spinach? ചീര. എന്താണ് plantains? വാഴ. Okay, which one is at the left side of Tara? Spinach or plantains? Plantains, isn't it? Okay, then put a tick mark on the plantains. Okay, bye my dear children. See you in the next class.